What is good, yo? Welcome to today's trade recap. Tuesday, March 24th. We ended the day green. Two trades, one break even. The other one was just a re-entry. Um, yeah, let's get into it. So coming into today, we were obviously inside this gap from yesterday's big ass Drake Dick candle, right? Not, I didn't really have a bias. We're in a downtrend here, but we're inside this gap, so it just makes it difficult to trade inside. We did start the day with an SMT, hourly SMT with the S, right? Um, so I was leaning more bullish just because, also we had no structure to target to the like lower, right? We're just inside of that big ass gap, so I don't know. It just made today difficult, right? But like I said, we had enough green, so we found a way to make something happen. Um, but yeah, so we had that SMT, right? We had this LRO here. We also had news at 9:45, so we kept that in mind. Um, right, 9:30 opens. What did I want to happen if we wanted longs? Well, I wanted NQ to take this low out, right, and then we could target this. Well, we didn't. I actually there was a Judas. I could have taken it. I was not logged into my TradeAvate, so I was unable to take it. But I for sure wanted to take it, and I pressed buy and have to log in. So what do we have? We're dealing from this SMT inside the gap. We got a clean 1 minute inverse pre-market at 9:29, 9:30 open. I would just targeted these internals. Um, just simple. All right, 1 to 2 are. But here's what it is. It is what it is. So we swept that, right? We still have all of this, so there's no problem. And like I said, I would have liked that to play. Just I had to log into my trade of it. But after we swept that, there was a 2 minute that formed. I was also willing to take this if we had a better close. We had a shit close. Right, we closed all the way down here. If we would have closed on this candle, for sure would have taken it just to this south side, break even at this swing low. We couldn't get a bad entry. Whatever, patience plays. What happened? Price did exactly that. Okay, now go to the higher time frame. We were a discount again, this range. So looking good for long, right? We got good structure. We're in EQ. We're inside this range, right? We no longer have that SMT, but whatever. It looks good for longs. Better for longs, in my opinion. If we miss that 2 minute, for sure. So, what ended up happening? We opened this 5 minute here, right? This, I'm pretty sure I said to myself this was my condition on the day. If we wanted to go lower, we wouldn't inverse. If we wanted to go higher, we would. So it's just kind of a patience game, right? We came up. I was hoping for this 5 minute get inversed on this candle. I would have taken it, right? We didn't. We ended up validating it, respecting it, and we pushed lower, taking this out. That's good. On ES, we did make three relative equal lows, so I was kind of scared to want a long out of this. I would have rather had a resweep, just cleaner price, more probable, right? Um, Still a good entry, so I'm not mad, but like I said, just would have been better. Um, we opened this 2 minutes, so now I was just looking for this 2 minute inverse, right? To target, break even here, target these internal for about a 1 to 2. All right. We did not get that inverse there. Phone is blowing up. Sorry. Not get the inverse there. We didn't get it there. So now what did I want? I wanted a resweep. Why? I don't know. Not probable if it takes fucking 6 candles to inverse. Right, it's just stupid. We'd rather get a resweep, have another swing high to target, break even, right? Just better RR, better entry overall. Um, wasn't on eval. I was on an eval though, so I mean, I'll take this any day. But ideal situation would have been a resweep. We had heavy displacement here, right? So I liked it. I entered here, stops here. Again, targeting the same thing. Just gotta break even there, right? We did end up going break even. Like I said, price was just fucking going sideways for a minute. We went break even here. ES was way higher, right? We had an SMT here. Forgot to say that. An SMT here. ES was a leading index, so makes sense. ES was like all the way up here already. While NQ was trying to figure its shit out. Well, we won't break even there. My next thought was, okay, we get a re-entry off this 5-minute inverse. If it, right? I mean, all of our draws are still there. If we want to be bullish, we inverse this gap. We take these highs out. The only thing was, ES was really close. So, I mean, our RR would have been bad, but our setup is still there. So, I mean, right? We did get it on the next candle. So, I did get a re-entry here. And I think I entered, I can't remember how many cons I entered, but we got the re-entry. And we had an alert on ES, right? We close if ES takes that out. I've been stopped too many times with a stupid SMT like that. So, tip of advice, at least take partials. I mean, I close usually completely, right? Just play it safe. Take your piece of pie of the day. It is what it is. So, like I said, we got an entry there. I think we got about to there. Yeah. We got there, and ES had swept that already. So I'd closed there. Full TP. I closed. I think it's around 650. 650 on the dot, maybe. Yeah. Actually, I'm not sure what price I ended up doing. Yeah. So that's right there is exactly why you close your position. I mean, who the hell wants to be in this? We did end up sweeping it. This is to today. So this is to present time. So we just took that out, but I mean, you don't want to trade that. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, 2 trades, 1 break even, another one just re-entry, same draws, just with the 5-minute, right? Reasonable trade, good day on the eval, up 650. Yeah, I'm gonna try and start posting videos more on YouTube. I mean, I've been just posting, grinding on TikTok, but I need to get back into this. I made a few videos a while ago, but I haven't been locked on here. It should be for sure. So, yeah, I mean, hopefully we see you tomorrow for good news, right? I don't want to end red, but it is what it is. So, yeah, that's all I got. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.